Good morning, my dear students. Here I have illustrated some schematic diagrams. Let us discuss about this. This explains about the classroom behavior of students. Let us consider this as a classroom. The teacher is sitting here, he is taking classes, and the students are listening to his classes. So he takes almost for an hour, 1 hour session is going on. He started the class at 9 a.m. and he winds up his session by 10 a.m. So it means almost 1 hour. Now, so the students are they would have come with some entrance behavior. This is called entrance behavior. That is the level of knowledge in the particular concept to be discussed in today's session. And after 1 hour, after attending this 1 hour session, they leave with some exit behavior. So what is the quantum of learning? The quantum of learning is equal to the exit behavior minus entry behavior. When the entry behavior is equal to exit behavior, both of them are equal, that is at the same level, means no learning has happened, that is learning is equal to 0. Then when exit behavior is much greater than entry behavior, there is a substantiate or there is okay, right. Now when exit behavior is less than entry behavior, so he has got confused with the learning. So learning is less than 0. Now let us talk about the participants. There are some active participants in the classroom and there are some inactive participants. They don't respond, they don't reply, let it be e-learning class or online class or direct class, whatever it may be. They don't respond to the teacher's command or request or instructions. So such type of persons are inactive participants. Then there are some disturbing elements in the classroom. So they are the disturbing participants. And they will be simply chit-chatting and discussing with others, gossiping, and even disturb the teachers. And there are some that is a hyperactive participants also. They will be overacting, and that is also a disturbance by interfering or with the known knowledge, with the prior knowledge. They want to interfere the teacher's flow of teaching. So such guys are hyperactive participants. Okay. Among the participants, these guys are very peculiar. They are daydreamers. So physically they are present in the classroom and mentally they are out of the classroom. They are absent. So they are daydreamers. And what about these guys? These guys are very dangerous. They mock at the teachers and they will simply disturb. They don't disturb, but simply mocking and simply counting how many words he is repeating. So such kind of unworthy tasks are being carried out by such members. Okay, you can find all these guys in a classroom. I hope now where you should be like, you should be an active participant, and that is what required for a quantum of learning. Okay, so try to be attentive in the classroom, reply promptly, whether it is that is a online class or e-learning or even direct class. Reply properly when the teacher asks anything. Okay, thank you for watching this video.